everyone. Whoops, sorry. Hi everyone. Welcome to What If. Today I thought we'd do something a little different. I thought we'd come out into nature because I had something else in mind. So today what we're going to do is make a nature frame. Why? Because I want to enjoy this beautiful time of year. So when I'm out here, what I did was I picked up a few branches. These branches are what I'm going to use to make the frame. So you're going to need 4 branches and you're going to need yarn. And I'll show you what we're going to do. Together. So what you're going to do is when you have the yarn secured, you're going to take it across the frame and then basically make a lattice work so it looks like this. You want to get them close together, the yarn strands, because we're going to put different things we find on our nature trail in the yarn, and for it to stay secure you want them to be close together. And here's my finished product. Something that I can use as a keepsake. Just some wonderful memories I made walking around in the fall.